Alright, in process of installing my parking brake assembly. And first things first, you gotta get the your switch installed. So mine's the original. So it's basically just a nut on the back. Okay, and then there's 3 holes on here. So there's the big one here, there's a small one, and it's the first one here. It's the medium-sized one closest to bracket, so it goes in right there. Okay, and then it locks in. There's a notch here. Goes in that small hole. So big hole for the nut, and then the small hole for the notch.
Enjoy your stay at Suite 13. Wow, 13? That's 79. Yeah, 1979. Number 7. HDR Solar and Home Services has been providing cutting-edge technology, installation, and a stellar reputation with reviews to back it up for all your solar, battery storage, cool solar. From the iHeart Sports Network, presented by DraftKings. Alex Cobb draws the start for the Giants as they go to the third sweep of the Brewers. The Athletics losing streak is at 10 following yesterday's loss to the Astros. Luis Medina is on the hill for Oakland in today's finale. And the Celtics to make history on Monday with a win over the Miami Heat. They could become the first NBA team to rally.
Alright, and then I've got the cable. Alright, and then first thing then is this piece here, which is the plate. And that slips in like that. And that's what pushes the plate. Alright. And then our cable. And our clip. So this clip here slides in like that, holds that cable in. This part might be a little tricky. Because the cable's on a spring. Nice, pull it nice and tight. Okay. That clip goes on. Come on. Right. Gotta get a good grip on it if you've already got it installed down below. Okay. There you go. And then you got the 2 nuts that go on the firewall. So these 2 bolts, so they go through the firewall like that. Okay, I'll show you that. Okay, right there, in there. So I'll temporarily put these nuts on here because we're going to want to seal that up. I'll just put these on here just so that it doesn't fall out on me. Okay. And then screw. Okay, and that's what feeds up into the dash. I think it tucks up into there. So you got screw hole here, screws up into here. That. Well, all kinds of troubles not getting the right tools out. Get your tools ready. All right. Nice and snug. Alright, should work pretty good. Okay, now on the firewall, let's go get those nuts out there. Alright, for the bolts on the outside, so I'm going to put a little bit of the this caulking. Wrap it around the base of the bolts here and here. That way when the bolts tighten down, it seals up. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, too dark. But Alright, let's get a wrench on it. Alright, here we go. So as you tighten it out, it's clear that most of the stuff came squeezing out, but when it does, it tightens up and then it fills in all the nooks and crannies in there behind the firewall in the front, and should be good. Alright, that's it.